Hi guys, how y'all doing? Design Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 19. Let's hop into the Discord to see what were today triggers. So today for the triggers, I went for really minimal, really fundamental concepts, which were type, texture, form. I think I'm gonna try to go for the type one. I'm gonna go back to those university style kind of typographic arrangement days. Really classy, really elegant, that really nice Swiss style, you know what I'm saying? That Pinterest shit. Let's go into Photoshop.
Alright, this is the final result. Really classic, elegant type layout. Hope you liked it and hopefully learned something. See you in the next one. Fuck peace. Wish you conflict. LOL.